Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how we can make Knorr soup. Start with the required liquid, usually water or milk, as indicated on your Knorr soup packet. Pour the liquid into a medium saucepan and bring it to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to a simmer. This initial step is crucial for achieving the right consistency and flavor. Remember to always check the specific instructions on your chosen Knorr soup mix for precise measurements. Now, gradually add the Knorr soup mix to the simmering liquid, stirring constantly with a whisk or spoon. This helps dissolve the powder evenly and prevents any lumps. Continue to stir gently as the soup simmers for about 3 to 5 minutes. You'll notice it starting to thicken to a creamy, delicious consistency. Keep an eye on it to avoid overcooking. Knorr soup is wonderfully versatile. Feel free to personalize your bowl by adding a dash of fresh black pepper, some chopped parsley, or even a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little kick. For a more substantial meal, stir in some cooked chicken, leftover vegetables, or even a handful of pasta. Serve your hot, comforting soup immediately with your favorite accompaniments. If you have any delicious leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. When you're ready to enjoy it again, simply reheat gently on the stovetop over low heat or in the microwave until warmed through. For more kitchen hacks and to upgrade your home, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade Knorr soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.